Hey, what's up everybody? This is Maddie from Maddie's Review Channel. Today I am back with another video. Today I'll be unboxing and reviewing this wireless Bluetooth speaker. Stay tuned. Okay, so right here we got the Antimi mini portable Bluetooth speaker. Right here is a information regarding it. You got a double horn, 360 stereo, long play, loud volume. It does use a TF play, UDisc playback, AUX inline input, and radio function. So let's just go ahead and turn it on this side. Right here you have three different colors to choose from. You've got your gold, your silver, your black silver. And let's go ahead and open up the box. And first off, once you open up this box, you will see the portable speaker. I'm just going to go ahead and take it out and put it to the side so you can see everything that it comes with. And it does come with a little bumper to protect it. Down here at the bottom, you have your standard USB charging port. And right here is your user manual. This is the English side. This tells you how to operate it, how to pair it. It's also in the different language. So right here it does tell you, the technical supports, the common problems from hooking it up. Just going to go ahead and throw that aside. Right here you can claim your 1-year warranty. This does have a 1-year warranty guarantee. So this is your certificate. And it says, thank you for purchasing this. So now we're just going to go ahead and throw that down and get to the speaker. So as you can see, it is a very lightweight, small speaker. This is a very nice looking speaker. Right here is the speakers. Up at the top, you have all your numbers from 1 to 5 and 6 to 0. You've got your power on, you've got your mode, you can volume up, down, forward, backwards, pause, play. And at the bottom, you have some non-slip rubber grips. These are pretty thick. And right here at the back, you have your standard plugins. One of the ports is your AUX, also charging. You've got a USB port, your headphone jack, and your TF card slot. And there's a speaker right here at the back. This is a very nice speaker. It is very lightweight. As you can see, it's very thin. We're just going to go ahead and turn on the power so you can actually see how loud this speaker is. And right now it's in the pairing mode. So all you got to do is click on the power, which is the pairing mode. Then you'll see in your device, it'll say Antimi. You'll just go ahead and click on that and it will pair to the device. It does take about 10 seconds to pair up, depending on your device.
Chips Ahoy cookies with Reese's. Tastes like a good.
So as you can see, this is a very nice little portable speaker. It is pretty loud for the size that it is. If you are interested in purchasing this speaker, I will link all the details in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And definitely hit that little notification button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Also check me out at maddysreviewchannel.com. Thanks for watching.